search L2 categories, home, cart. So let's choose here. So you can just set up this campaign name, any name which you want to set up. We've talked enough about the campaign name as well. So you can select the duration or you can just auto renew campaign after the end date. So यहाँ पे ऐसा option नहीं आता है that you cannot that you don't want to put an end date, you have to put it. It will auto renew after your end date. Now you click on this edit. Which days of the week you want to show your ads on? This is a good feature, I would say. Whether you want to show your ads only on Saturday, Sunday. For example, आपने एक campaign बना दी only for Saturday and Sunday. Okay, that is one thing. Second is locations. Where do you want to show your ads? You want to show separately on Mumbai, Gurgaon, Bangalore, any city you want to choose. And again, another interesting thing which is there in Instamart as well is about कहाँ पे ये ad दिखानी है. Sorry, किस time पे ये ad दिखानी है. That is early breakfast, first lunch, dinner and even late night as well. So this is a great feature. I would say cities का options तो बाकी platforms भी देते हैं, but the days of the week and ad display time slots in a day, this what I would say is I think a great feature which Instamart has given, which would definitely help all the FMCG brands related to snacks, related to lunch, related to breakfast. अब ये मेकअप पे आई डोंट नो ये किस तरह से वर्क करेगा. आई थिंक लंच एंड ऑल पे भी कर सकता है बिकॉज the women who might be into the office during lunch hours might be ordering a lipstick. वो breakfast खाते टाइम भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं because 7 to 11 is the time while commuting into the office you might be into the cab or the metro. Snacks time पे भी हो सकता है, dinner पे भी हो सकता है, late night भी हो सकता है. So that is mostly, for example, with a brand like MTR, they would be having products like idli sambars and all, which people would prefer eating in the breakfast time, but buying time कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. So it's about, for example, अपने what these platforms have done is that people like us have stopped planning, have stopped piling up the things कि यार 20 किलो आटा घर पे रखना है, 10 किलो चावल रखने हैं. नो, आई थिंक थिंग्स लाइक दीज हैव एक्सपोज्ड अस टू यूज डिफरेंट थिंग्स कि यार लेट मी ऑर्डर 5 kg ऑफ राइस एंड जब ये खत्म होंगे या फिर मैंने आज देखा कि यार आज के ही चावल बचे हैं एंड आई जस्ट ऑर्डर इट इंस्टेंटली. आटा जस्ट अभी गूंथते टाइम, डाव करते टाइम अभी देखा कि यार ये तो खत्म हो गया, लेट मी ऑर्डर इट, बिकॉज अब वो तो 8-10 मिनट में आ जाएगा. सो दैट इज वाई आई थिंक एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम for this I would say it's about the both thing. And वहाँ पे I think minimum order भी देखना पड़ता है. Customer might be like यार अब मैं मंगा ही रहा हूँ तो देखता हूँ कि आज या कल में और क्या चाहिए. हो सकता है इडली का बैटर खत्म हो गया, they might order at that point of time, और breakfast के टाइम भी ऑर्डर हो सकता है. So it's about trying different things, and that is why it's good to have these platforms giving these options of days of the week, display locations, ad display time slots in a day. So these are the three different I would say targeting settings, not about the keywords and all I'm saying, which Instamart gives, which is I would say a great feature which definitely you should use if you are live on Instamart. If I would have been you, I would have run separate campaigns for Saturday, Sunday. I would have run a separate campaign if I was MTR regarding the breakfast, regarding the early breakfast, and anything about the late night snacks as well. For example, I'm a brand of protein bar. शायद मैं early breakfast और breakfast में नहीं चलाऊंगा. For example, I'm a brand of oats that is usually preferred in breakfast or might be in the snacks time as well. अब वो snacks time 3 to 7 भी हो सकता है, 7 to 11 भी हो सकता है. People who leave office early around 5 p.m. they will prefer snacks at 6-7 p.m. But who leave office at 7 p.m. consume dinner around 10 p.m. उनका 7-7:30 पे स्नैक्स 8 p.m. पे भी चल जाएगा. सो इट्स अबाउट द डिफरेंट कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर्स, इट्स अबाउट ट्राइंग डिफरेंट इन ऑल थिंग्स. लेट नाइट स्नैक्स रहते हैं, इट्स अबाउट द चिप्स एंड ऑल. मेरे पास अगर चिप्स एंड ऑल होते, हेल्दी भुजियाज होते, नमकीन होते, दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आई थिंक मिलेनियंस प्लस जेन ज़ी वुड प्रेफर ईटिंग लेट नाइट, नॉट द फ्रूट्स. फ्रूट्स के लिए आई वुड से, अब फ्रूट्स के लिए कोई तो ब्रांड नहीं है. आई थिंक दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स इटसेल्फ आर सेलिंग इट. फॉर लेट नाइट आई वुड से चिप्स एंड ऑल, नमकीन्स, नॉट हेल्दी बिस्किट्स. रात में किसी का हेल्दी खाने का मन, आई डोंट नो, आई माइट बी रॉन्ग,